Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I brought this Klaxon study table. It's a unique kind of table. It's a two-seater table in a T shape. I'll also put the Amazon link in the description. You can check it out. So I got the package delivered. Like it took almost 7 to 10 days to deliver this package. And I got in these two cardboard boxes taped or tied together. So let's unbox the Klaxon T table and assemble it and install it and see how it looks like and the first impressions based on that. So let's go. Packaging looks good, lot of tape and good protection also provided. So as you can see, there are more tapes here. This cable looks very good. See, they provided this protections also in the edge, which is very nice. You want to see? So all screws and all. These look like some instruction manual also. This looks like instruction manual from Klaxon. So this is how the table looks like, tea table. So package looks clean, table looks no damages. Good package. Table also looking heavy, looking solid wood. Looks like solid wood. See the edges, cardboard, right? It's very strong. See, they have provided this. It's very strong. So your table is safe. Okay, so we unboxed one package. So there is one more. So let's see. So for now, I'll put this on the side. And let's see the instruction manual. So a lot of iron connects are there. I think this is the package with iron connects, and this is the top wood what we just opened. So let's unbox this also, because we need this. We need to form the base first and then place this wood on the top. What's the posture? So we are unboxing other box also. So yes, as we expected, this is having the complete base material. Full iron is provided here. So this packaging is also good, with good protection. So this looks like the stand. See, it is very good. Like, see the width and all, strong holding. This is one more stand. Like that, you have a lot of stands here. So let us try to build a table now. I think we need to make some space to build a table. So this is A, right, and catch. So they marked everything here, which one to use. So this is A, and they have given all the markings in the paper also. So now this is A, they are going to take B. B is blue. One more B. So now finally so we have done two sections of assembly. So they have given this kind of screwdriver. It's bit not clear in the instructions, but you can figure it out little bit. It takes little time to figure it out, but you can do that. So let's proceed with the other section installation also, and once done, I will assemble everything also, and I'll show you the final product also. The quality looks good till now. We have to see how this width holds once we put this table and everything above. So let's go. So finally I was able to assemble its complete metal structure. For the wood structure, right, they have given holes here. We have to do a manual drill. So right now I don't have drilling machine at my home, so I have to lend it tomorrow. So right now what I'm planning is to do is to place the wood on these metal pieces and show you how the table will look like. Yeah, so let's go. So guys, this is how the table looks like. There are some additional attachments to this table also, like somewhere here. And it will come like this. So So this is the final table, how it looks like. Table is very good, quality is very good, worth the price. So I got it for around 9,000 rupees, this two-side table. So two people can comfortably sit and work. Two laptops, put lot of here. Wood quality is also looking good, not looking premium and good quality. So the packaging is good, all the materials are arrived, all instructions can be little more clear. I have to unscrew lot of times and screw again because they just gave pictures like this, but there are a lot of screws which you have to screw and unscrew. So sometimes, like suppose this rod should be here, so if this rod you are placing in third row, you have to unscrew and again put it. So as you progress, you will understand, you can figure it out yourself and you can place this. So without this drilling work, it took me around 90 minutes to install this. So maybe drilling will take another 1 hour to put all the screws and everything there. So tomorrow I'll do the drilling, but the final table should look like this, and it's looking good as well. Yeah. So thank you for watching my video. If you like the table as well, you have the product link in my comment. So go ahead and buy it for yourself as well. See you.